Hello, today we'll learn how to stop validation or even start validation or do customized validation in Eclipse. Let's open Eclipse. So this is the start menu for me. It doesn't matter which project. Okay, that's the Eclipse. Let's adjust the screen. Okay, this is smaller. And this is smaller, so it doesn't matter the code. We don't need any code here. First thing, you go to Window and go to the end preference, and here in the screen you need also to scroll down to the end and search for validation. Here the validation, if you click on it, you get this screen. What adjust you need to do, it's all here. So you can enable everything, you can disable everything. For me, I'm disabling everything. You can enable everything, you can disable everything, and here you can customize the validation. What do you want the editor to validate? For example, the XML validator, there is HTML syntax validator and JSON validator, so you can't check mark or unmark any of this. So I will repeat how and when you finish you need to press apply. You can reset the default also. You can press apply, yes, and after he finish you need to apply and close, also another yes. So I will repeat how we go to there. When you open Eclipse, this is the beginning window, so go to the menu and the window, press on window, go to the end or to preference, and you get this menu. You can search here and write validation, for example. We didn't get anything. Actually, we are already in validation, maybe because of this. Once again, validation. So we get all validation here, but the easiest way to go to the end and search for validation. If you click validation, I will remove this. So now usually the first screen looks something like this. You go to validation here and you have this window. This you should always mark this, like allow project to override this preference settings, and after that you can customize the validation, or you can disable it all, but this is what I'm doing, and you can enable it all from here. I will disable it, and in the end you can apply from here, and you need to press yes, and when it finishes you need to press again apply and close, and again yes. And this way for me I stop the validation here. So if I go here, I don't get any error. There is no error. I will show you if I enable the validation what will get here. So we go again to preference, we search for validation, and here I will enable it all. Let's check what we will get. Apply, yes, and again apply and close, and yes. Now you can see here he start validating the project, and when it's 100% we can check, but it's already, you can see here there is one error. It's the red X mark. It's finished. So here the error inside this file, inside this file, and inside this file he give you here an error, the HTML, and you can see here how many errors I have. So undefined CSS file, like he put link to CSS files not exist, it's undefined. So all of those, they are errors, and I got it here, and usually you can see the error here also. So we have here web resource problem, I have 64 errors. I have HTML problem, like 244 items, but I have 100 error. But this is not error, this is only warning. If it's yellow mark, it's warning. So like this is what it's, he give you some description here, like element TTT is absolute, it's used to discourage, you can make this bigger, and document HTML file document. So if we close this, we have also GSB problem, have 66, and if you go down you can check it, what is the problem, and we need to fix it. If you, for example, if you activate the validation and you want to deploy the application, you will get an error and you cannot deploy the application. So if you know this is not a real error, you need to stop the validation and deploy the application. But if it's an error and you need to fix it, so you need to fix it before to deploy your application. And here's the real error, with red mark. I have a lot of stuffs undefined. This is warning, as we can see, CSS. I will show you how I remove this, and we will come back to this page again. So if we go to window again, preference, and we go to validation again, and here I want to disable everything, so disable all, and apply, and yes, and again apply and close, and yes. And now we need to see this error, it will gone or not. So we need to refresh the, so you can see still there is some errors. We can refresh. So here in the error, we can see there is no error anymore. And this is, it's only node and not an error. So it's like he give you like succession, but there is no X red mark. And this is how we stop or start the validation, or you can customize the validation. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.